This was a $375,000 settlement. And the reason being is the railing. So let's look at this claim. And this is a real claim here at Proper Insurance. So if we look at this picture, we're going to see now there's a railing. And in this picture, there is no railing. You're competing against Hilton and Marriott. And Hilton and Marriott have hand railings at their properties. So it's so important to take this liability seriously, because if an example like this happens, thank heavens the person wasn't seriously injured, fairly significant injury, $375,000 lawsuit. And this could have been prevented very easily through the safety certification program.